To show you something really cool that you could show realtors with our new full contact form. So you go into landing page builder, you click on the plus sign, you show them how they can add a page, hit start editing. Okay, we are going to want to do the full name address form. Then what we're going to do is pick a background image. We are going to scroll down to homes. Okay, and you can grab, I mean, we got a ton of them on here. A lot of them are great, you know. Maybe this one. And then what you're going to do is darken up the form just a little bit. Okay, then you're going to write, this is going to be able to get them to generate tons of leads for free by using like Craigslist. Get your current home value for free. Then you're going to do just, I'm going to do all caps, just fill in the form and get your value, no gimmicks, no gotchas. Then write home values have skyrocketed. I'm going to change that to white here in a minute. Skyrocketed. You may be surprised how much your home has gone up. I'm just delete this line here. Okay. So now let's dress it up a little bit. I'm going to maybe I'll make this blue like the sky in the background. There we go. Change it to a cooler font. Let's see what font we want to use here. Maybe Bungee. Text shadow. I don't want that burgundy. I want black. And I'm going to darken this form just a touch darker. Okay. I do that if I'm reading the text and I can't read the text real good. I'll just darken the form up a little bit more. Change this to white. And we're going to change that font into something better as well. I don't know. I just like changing the fonts around, making them look good. Carter 1. Well, I'm missing an E over here, so. And then if I have one long line and one word there, usually I just go and increase the size of the text. Just so it looks a little bit better. Like that. There you go. And then I'm going to use this blue color. So I click on this. Get the HTML code for the blue. Very easy how we made that. Click on this text. Click on color. Paste that in so that turns that same color blue. Increase the size a little bit. Then we're going to come over here and write, fill this out. Okay. And then button. I'm going to click at the bottom, change the background. I don't want that yellow. I want to change that to blue. And the background shadow, I'm just going to change to black. And hit spread a little bit so it glows. And then we're going to hit edit text and we're going to say click here. I'm going to take out the social buttons right here for now. You could keep them in there if you want. All you do is just click on social button, put nothing in, and it'll go away. Okay, so now we have this going. I'm going to add just a little bit of background shadow to fill this out, clean it up here. And then I'm going to write home value. Get your home. Now, these real estate agents aren't giving away an appraisal. They could pull comps for free and kind of give them an end. Now, what they can do is they redirect they can actually send it right to their www.realestatesite.com if they want to. Okay, whatever their real estate site is. But we're going to get into the mail campaign in just 1 second here. I'm going to save this real quick and then we're going to go back. Then what you can do is you can do a autoresponder, create a new one. We are going to call it home value, and then call it home value. And just hit submit. I'm going to leave it inactive for now, but then I'm going to hit email series, create new message, and then I'm going to write, I'm going to put in the tag, first name, your home value is on the way. I'll come down here and use show tags. I'll type it, I'll just click first name, comma, thanks for inquiring about your home value. We have all the latest comps in your area within 24 or whatever time you want to put there, 24 hours. We will be emailing you your current home's value. Any questions? Contact me, Joe Blow, Realtor. You know, 505.505. And then, you know, www.realestatesite.com. And of course they could do this, copy it and link it just like that, but they would put HTTP to make it link. Hit OK, and then that would make that clickable. If they want to add their picture, they can. Okay, you could do that. For example, let's see something here. If I go over real estate agent images, you know, maybe you have a guy that's a real estate agent. I mean, these are pretty generic pictures, but let's say this is a real one. He wants to put his picture in. Copy image address. Of course, you have to have it hosted online somewhere that we can do this. And then click insert image, source, paste. Okay. Now, of course, this picture here is big, so what we're going to do is we're just going to drag it down so it fits. So you can do that. And then you want this to go out delay 0. Okay, you want it to go out fairly quickly. Hit save now. Come back into the details. You only need about one message, right? You don't need more than that for this. Make it from inactive to active. Hit save. And then what you want to do is we want to go back in here to this page we created. We're going to have to hit refresh. Okay. And then where it says mail campaign, we scroll down till we find probably the last one, home value. And that would attach that message series to this page. Hit save. That's it. Let me go show you what the page looks like. Landing page builder. And they could, you know, of course, they could create a teeny URL. There you go. Get your current home value for free. Fill in this form. Get your value. No gimmicks, no gotcha. Home values are skyrocketed. You may be surprised how much your home has gone up. Fill this out. And, you know, then they could go, the realtors could go post this all over their local, you know, message boards and local Craigslist. And even post it on their website, you know, where they could be building a mailing list and getting people's full addresses and phone numbers. This is super valuable for real estate agents to get people to get listings and to just build a customer base. So easy to do in the conversion pros, and then they will get the full